Hi, I'm Nick Schaeffler, and I'm going to be teaching you about the different types of glassware you might find in a chemistry laboratory. Now, when you walk around a chem lab, you see lots of different pieces of equipment. Most of them are made of glass, so you need to be careful. So when you are dealing with glass, you should take your glassware and hold it firmly so no dropping shall occur. Now, let me tell you about what each of these are and how they work. So first we're going to start with the capillary tube. This is a very large piece of equipment that can attract liquids because of its dipoles, different orientations of electrons, and you'll learn that some other time. And it's really good for transferring liquids in centrifuges and such things. Now, our watch glass is the next thing. Watch glass is good for placing liquids or different solids on you want to observe, and you can even place it on top of another colored surface to see better. So, nice guy. The next thing we have are the U-tubes right here, which help find density by measuring height. Now there are no tick marks in here, that's up to you to measure the height. Let's see what is next. Our test tubes. Now these are very commonly found, and usually you will handle one of these with a pair of tongs or tweezers or whatever you like to call them. And different things that can go on. You can hold things, you can mix them, and you can heat up solids in here. And the round bottom really helps with uniform heating. Oh, the Erlenmeyer flask, or we just call it a flask, is good for, you can find different concentrations of your liquid using different pH techniques, so it's a little more complicated there. Now a hydrometer, this will help find density using this lead shot in the bottom here. It will find the density of a liquid that you place in a graduated cylinder. Now, the beaker. The beaker is a very basic piece of equipment. It's got a lip on it for pouring. And you can stir, mix, and heat different objects inside of here. You can also measure different volumes. Now the graduated cylinder is also for measuring volume. And this one's very small, but they can come in very large sizes. Anywhere from 10 milliliters to 10,000 milliliters. It's very big. Now, last but not least, we have a round bottom flask. Here, for a round bottom flask, you can heat on the bottom here. You'll also find this in different kinds of reactions, such as reflux reactions or distillation. So that is there's some pieces of glassware you'll find around the laboratory. Remember, be safe, hold firmly, and you will pass chemistry. Thank you.